This is part 2 of our on-course lesson with Darian, Christian here. Okay, number 1 driving hole, or number 1 tee, tough tee shot, awkward driving hole for sure. So Darian, let's walk us through where we're thinking, what we're trying to do here, what our thought process is.
So basically, off this tee shot, I kind of want to aim at the left tree. It's kind of the right tree on the left, and then just kind of hit cut from there.
Yeah.
So that's kind of where a good place to aim, because I'm not going to miss left, and I can kind of miss right from over there.
That's a great thought that we have going through our head. We know we're not going to miss left, so we're trying to take out one side of the golf course. We've picked a precise target, which is this tree dead ahead. Okay, there's really, like I said, we're not worrying about missing left. Missing right, there's really not too much trouble right. We got a bunker that's not really in play if we want to carry it. So Darian, you said we're going to see a stock fade, right?
Correct.
All right, so when we picked our target, so where do we expect the ball to finish about?
Right at the 150 still.
So right at the 150. So we see we're pointing at that, we're starting it at that tree, just to the left of the person, ending it basically at that tree out there in the middle that the person's walking towards now. Okay, so when you see this, when you let it go, I mean, it's got to be total commitment. We've picked everything. There's no wind to speak of, not a breath of it today. So we just have to really stick to that target, even though it looks uncomfortable. It's kind of an awkward driving hole, especially at the bunker on the right if you're hitting a fade. So we really want to key in, not even look at the bunker, not even look at the hazards, and commit, set up to our keys. I mean, there's really not too much else to do, right? I mean, is there anything? So let's take us through your routine. Let's see what your routine would be. Put a ball down. We'll go through it real quick.
Okay, so I'm gonna go on the right side of the tee box here.
Yeah, right side of the tee is playing a fade, playing it at that tree on the left. It's gonna cut back, just left of the cart there in the fairway.
And then just kind of pick a piece of grass out in front of me, so we're just
pick a piece of grass. Visualize your kind of stock fade falling right off the target line here.
All right.
Go ahead and deliver it. Go ahead. Oh, I guess they are in range, but that is what we're gonna be looking at. Thank you, Darian. We walked you through our process here in the number 1 driving hole. I appreciate you listening to this. Darian, thank you very much
no worries,
for being a part of this. We'll catch you in the lesson closing.